electronics.
Come on, Coley. Yes, Mom out there?
Yeah, Mom, do you want us to freeze to death?
Oh, there's something coming. Vic. I want to be in the house though. Now come on, to bed with you boys.
Okay.
Worried. There's nothing to worry about. Sneak Attack Squad can take this easy.
Okay. My antenna's ruined! I know, he's done! That's it!
Coley?
You messed up for the last time, Ethan! You did? You messed up my Nintendo!
What are you talking about?
I know you are, but you can't get away from me. Uh-oh.
Bricks! Aha! Coley, I give up. You win. Coley, are you back there? Okay, so this is a new member of Extreme Toys, and his name is Odin, and he's walking. And I've got good news and bad news. Bad news is dog tags are sold out. Again, have an amazing new year.
Make sure to give us a thumbs up.
Check out our Instagram page. See you guys in 2018. Peace.
Hey kids, today we got a big giant collection of bug toys thing. Is that what it looks like to you?
Yeah.
There's that. One. That giant beetle. He's got some big pinchers. Another beetle thing. What do you think he eats? Next one is that. What is that?
I don't know.
What? Next. What does that look like to you? You know what that's called?
What?
It's called a praying mantis.
Yeah, green mantis. Butterfly.
Very good. And the last one we got,
Well, we got pinches.
he's got pinchers too.
Yeah.
Good thing those bugs aren't alive. Safari big giant bug collection. All right, we're done with the video. Do you want to go?
Man, I'm starving. Wait, I forgot. I need to go get my drink. If you like this video for more, look up there will be real life worms down there. As always, please subscribe for more fun.
That's right.
What?
Your phone's ringing.
Mom and Dad are leaving, and Aunt JC's gonna watch us today.
And JC's coming.
He always tricks us.
Yeah. Make sure to not trick anybody that doesn't want to get tricked.
Alright.
What do you think we should do to her?
I don't know, I think I got.
We need to check where she is.
I wonder where the boys are.
Wait, I got an idea.
Wait, what? We're gonna get her to use the faucet.
That's a good question. What if we do this? I don't even know. We'd sneak in and do it. I'm gonna sneak in. We can do other things too.
Yeah, that'll be epic. So like, she comes to dry off and there's like a big bug right there. So no matter where she goes, she's gonna get tricked. Twice!
I'll get the confetti and the fake bug. Oh my gosh, I remember this stuff.
Hey, you remember these? Long. All right, we're all set. Where is he?
Come on, let's speed this up.
All right.
This is probably it. Like so overpowered.
All right, I got the stuff.
The stuff up though.
All right, you give me all the stuff. You go cause a distraction. Okay.
Oh, what's this? Okay, Ethan and Cole, I'm prepared for you. I'm gonna get him back.
No, it's awesome.
Oh, that's a lot of string. Hello, boys.
Doing?
Oh, just working. Not a big deal. It was totally fun.
Yeah, fun. You really had to trick us. It's over now.
Yeah.
It's in the past. Who cares?
All right, well, I have to get this fish.
How far do you think she's gonna take this joke? I don't know. Do you think she's trying to prank us because we did? All right, come on, Aunt JC. It's just not. It's not gonna work. There's no fish.
We'll come in there if you come out.
Okay, fine. I'll put this down here and come out. I will.
Farther.
No, on
On
the
the thing, yeah.
fish. Do you see a fish?
No.
Wait!
I'm sorry it had to come to this, boys, but yeah, I'll get you some towels.
Fun.
Where are those towels? Freak out.
Itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again. Itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again.
Hi, my name's Ethan,
And my name is Cole.
and today we
Yeah.
let's open it to us.
Kind of sea animals there are. Yay.
Like a couple of
Shark.
either trees or is this coral? A giant octopus. Wow, it's pretty big.
Yeah. Look at this big dolphin. Oh my goodness.
Blue whale.
Look get shark.
Some more coral.
What?
A little tiny.
Joy. Yeah, I'm not gonna
Some of this.
You got some more of these. Thank you, Mommy.
That killer whale.
I'm gonna get.
Oh, you're blocking it.
Oh, little shark. Yeah, this one.
Got a little dolphin. Ooh, sea snake.
I see one.
Rock.
Oh, octopus.
And that's it.
Look at your shark.
Empty. A big killer whale and a baby killer whale. A big hammerhead and a baby hammerhead. Eel, some sort of octopus, an octopus, a lobster, and a sea snake. And the coolest sea creatures I've ever seen.
What do you think?
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more fun.
Bye, I'm done.
You could check out on the video on the right where we play with dry ice and we put all the sharks and